Okay, flight number 5, Pulse XT60. This has a E-flite Power 60 motor on it. Still got to figure out that ESC. Problem is it's behind the cowl, so I'm going to take it apart to try to figure out the brand so I can get the programming card for it, or do the beep program and turn the brake back off. Taking off with the wind. This is coming out on a China Hobbies 6 cell, 3300 milliamp. The sweet spot on this is with a 4000. Right, there's that half throttle. Flies fairly level, low pass. Do a high-speed pass here right in front of us. Full throttle right now, going vertical. Still going, throw a roll in, still going, just starting to run out. There's our wheels up pass. Come back around. It's kind of a difficult to maintain it level on the inverted. I think it's due to the length of the wing. This has a 70-inch wing, so it's got a pretty good presence in the sky. But again, it's just a gentle flyer. You're not going to do anything jiggy with it beyond basic rolls and loops and inverted flights and stuff like that. There's a loop. Nice, great big one coming off the power, floating down, back into the power. Not sure on the weight on this. I need to put it on the scale with the battery in it. If I had to guess, I'd say it's probably around 8.5, 9 pounds of all up weight. I'd like to find a Pulse 40. Never flown one of those, but I think that's a great compromise between the small Sportster I have and this one. Be small enough for easy transport, but big enough to have a presence in the sky. I'll put the 60 size motor on it too, just to give it a little more "40 seconds. Let's come on around. Make one more pass, just because it's fun. Twenty seconds. Plenty of time. Got some impressive storm clouds off there to the north. Full XT60, field's still wet. You probably can't see it in the video, but tons and tons of water is dripping off of it. Yeah, look at that motor right there. Alright, there's a slight throttle. And it's just almost comes to a complete stop right away. Alright, thanks for watching. Full XT60.